Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Robert Kiyosaki had two dads. One dad would say, "The love of money is the root of all evil." The other said, "The lack of money is the root of all evil." Both of his dads earned a good amount of money. But one of them, his biological father, was always stressed about it, while the other dad, who taught him about money, whom he called Rich Dad, was never. That is because he knew he understood money and he knew how to make money work for him. His rich dad insists that teaching finance and money needed to be properly done in schools. How will a nation survive if teaching children about money continues to be left to parents, most of whom will be, or already are, poor? His biological dad had a habit of saying, "I can't afford it." His rich dad poor dad those words to be used. He insisted. I asked, "How could I afford it?" The moment you say and believe that you cannot afford it, your brain stops working. Instead, by asking how can you afford it, you can put your brain to work. When it comes to money, is play it safe the best advice? Shouldn't we be taught how to manage the risk instead? Robert Kiyosaki says that being a product of two strong dads allowed him the luxury of observing the effects different thoughts have on one's life. People really do shape their lives through their thoughts. His rich dad used to say, "There is a difference between being poor and being broke. Broke is temporary, poor is eternal." If you believe that you will never be rich, you will make the prophecy become a reality. His father wanted him to study hard and get a degree to get a job. Rich Dad, however, wanted him to learn how to be rich and to understand how money works, and to learn to make money work for him. Money is power. What is more powerful is financial education. Money comes and goes, but if you have education about how money works, you can gain power over it and can begin building wealth. Robert Kiyosaki in this book talks about the 6 main lessons that his rich dad taught him about how money works. He says that these lessons are not meant to be answers but guideposts that will assist you to grow wealthier no matter what happens in the world of increasing change and uncertainty. We will cover each of these 6 main lessons in our coming videos. So make sure to hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon so that you don't miss any of those. We wish to provide you with all the information that can help build a happier, wealthier, and more satisfied life for yourself and your loved ones. So make sure to pass on this knowledge by sharing the videos you find helpful.
Hello, welcome to BNY Marketing. We are an association dedicated to helping you easily gain the marketing knowledge to build a successful business and personal brand. So if you are somebody who is ready to access all the knowledge just waiting for you, make sure you are subscribed to this channel and also hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos.